It's an animal world out there. Watch the World Animal Awareness Society channel and feel right at home. Come, sit, subscribe, and stay a while. On this edition of the Abandoned Dog Rescue Show. Let me take you to a magical place watched over by an army of volunteers. A place where every dog that is adopted saves 2 lives. This is the Abandoned Dog Rescue.
I mean, I've had fun with them, but 8 puppies is a lot.
One that you fall in love with is one thing. 8, wow.
Yeah. Especially since Mama's been gone since Sunday. It's amazing how much 8 puppies can poop.
Yes.
Hey there, how's it going?
Morning.
Okay, let's just carry the whole carrier out.
The puppies!
Yep.
All right, you got it?
Yep.
All right. Let you walk on the concrete. Anybody want a puppy?
Aww. Beignet weighed in at 8, over 8 the other day. Guessing he's going to be 9 or 10 today. And then Boudreaux weighed in at 9.
It's hard to believe they're from the same litter. That dog is so big.
So Mama Dog was found on March 4th, I think it was. It was a Monday before Fat Tuesday. That's why they're all named after New Orleans theme. So Nola was the mom. Nola was left in a crate a little bit smaller than this. She weighed 67 pounds when we weighed her. She was very pregnant. She was dumped over here on the porch. Our cameras caught the woman dumping her, but all she had on a hoodie, so you couldn't really see her, and her car was parked down a way, so we didn't get her license plate number. Not that it really mattered. And she just left a note that she could no longer take care of her. I'm guessing it wasn't her first litter, so she came into my house. I was the only one that had room for her. She gave birth to the puppies 3 weeks later on March 24th, and she left my home on Sunday. She decided she was tired of these puppies, hiding in the backyard, refused to come in. So I called Denise and Sandy. They said, go ahead and bring her up. So she's been here since Sunday, and I've had the pup since then.
This is Nola. She is the 8 bee puppies mom. She's going to get spayed in probably a week or 2 and then be ready for adoption.
So I think people honestly just get in over their heads and they don't know what to do. And people are always asking us whenever we have an animal that's dumped, they find out why we're not calling the police or whatever else. And at the end of the day, they got a lot on their plate anyway, than to mess with, a couple of dumped animals here each year. But the truth of the matter is that people really believe they think they're doing the best for the animal because they've got them someplace safe. It doesn't make our life any easier. Yeah. But it's better than leaving them in the woods or on the side of the highway. There we go. Someplace where they're going to get hit. So as frustrated as we get with people pulling this sort of thing, at least they're safe. Because I can't imagine Mama being out on the road somewhere and having these puppies because there's no way they would have made it. And right now they're all fat and happy, so it's good. And then Dr. Collivan's going to see them at 8:30 to get them weighed and get them their first round of shots. And then their fosters will be coming in to pick them up between 12 and 1 o'clock today. And everybody's going to get 2 puppies.
All right, let's go. Beignet. Oh my God, are they all bee names?
Okay. 2 of them have a name. The others you'll just figure out which name. This is Beignet.
I get to name things again?
Well, we've got the names
Okay,
down, but
okay.
this is Beignet. There it is. 9-2.
I'm just so cute. You ready to see that? Any problems with the litter? Oh,
These
do we
puppies.
know who this is? Is this
This is
someone?
Beignet.
Okay, this is Beignet. Okay.
Yeah.
You have enough syringes?
Yep, we just need one really. They're all the same litter. We'll just use the
I always
same.
like to Yeah, they share
Food plates.
above and beyond.
All right, Miss Curtis.
Thermometer? Do they have a thermometer?
Yes, we will need one.
This is the one
There
gone.
should
All
be
the
one
rest
in
are
here.
black.
Really?
Yeah.
Am I not doing any cats today?
We have one cat that you're going to do after these puppies, and then we'll move down to our office for the rest of the dogs.
Okay. Not to slip too much. These are big puppies.
They sure are.
How
Yes.
many weeks?
They're 6 weeks on Sunday.
I've already 10 pounds.
All these puppies that we have, you know, I have, well, there's the 2 litters of 8, so 16 puppies that are all huge.
Can we go see if Laurel can open up our little
Oh,
thing
Strontium
here?
smells so good. You want to taste it? That one tastes good.
Yummy. They're all oral, right?
Right.
Oh, sorry. Trying to get
Is this your
our
first vet visit with the doctor?
good baby. Oh, that's good. Okay.
All set?
Yeah.
All right.
Almost had it.
I wanted to beat Pam's puppies.
I would like to be bigger.
Did you bring the little
Who
thing
drove?
for babies? Is that what you brought up?
Hello, everybody. We have merch. Woo! Woo!
You are cute.
Now, will you guys visit for a little bit?
Yeah, because yeah, yes.
This has been a WATOS Films presentation of the Abandoned Dog Rescue Show, featuring the volunteers and dogs of Abandoned Animal Rescue. Please consider making a donation to save more lives. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.